Hello again, and it's me and my sister Lauren.
Achoo!
Somebody's sneezing.
This dog is, his name is Bumper.
Bumper, hello Bumper. Where's Giraffe?
Giraffe, come on, use your hand. And Bumper's very sick. Bumper's very sick.
Oopsie daisy. Oh.
He's sick like a rhino. Sick.
Yes, and Giraffe has got his Sunday hat, holiday hat.
Because
But where's the beach? Giraffe, don't steal it.
No. That's why I have Bumper.
Because he bites.
Giraffe is bottom.
So we have this little Playmobil set here. Family fun Playmobil set.
Because that's glasses. I got glasses on these.
We've got the family fun set and a
Space.
city action set here. Two small ones, which is my sister's. And of course another thing of my sister's is this dinosaur exploring thing. Which one do you want to open first? The small ones or the big one?
The big one. Got this dog. He said yes. You're right. The dog said yes, huh?
The dog is sleeping, so just play the Playmobil. Ooh. No!
What happened?
Come on, it fell.
Look him open the mouth.
Wow, that's so cool.
And move the head, Bow. And legs. And other legs. Not the tail, Bow.
So, yes, that's a nice one. So basically, this dinosaur here, you see, can move its head and its mouth, the Triceratops, and all its legs, but not its tail. So, let's get building.
Again? Yes, my turn again?
Time for shopping. Not right now.
Giraffe ate it.
Giraffe doesn't need magazines. He only ate it when in ambulance.
Yes.
But speaking of Giraffe, where is he?
The dinosaurs are moving. It's moving. They're washed out when we are going bump.
Look what the giraffe is, the Triceratops is going to do. Give your finger to him.
Look down. And a baby.
Here's the baby.
A mommy. Baby toys. A baby. Look, it can move the head and the mouth. And not the mouth.
That's weird.
What?
Isn't the mouth supposed to be moving? Looks like the mouth can move. Looks like the mouth is movable. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's movable or not, I don't know. look here, it looks movable, like the Triceratops. It's most probably not movable. But still, it's cute. It's like its mommy.
And the head.
And a net.
Hey, catch you know who? The one wearing the sun hat. I think you can catch you with the net. No, the one with the hat. You know who's wearing the hat. I'll catch you. I catch him. That's so mommy.
What she said? Not very nice food.
Look.
Excuse me, can I please get paused? Excuse me, I need to get paused. Please, let me pause you. Excuse me, I have no time, I have to fix something. Please, I have to fix something quickly. Goodbye.
Hello, we're back again and we've finished. We have the cage. Well, with this set, not with those yet. With this cage and this car. See, this thing goes here. And I don't think there's a way you can make this thing actually shoot. So basically you have to take it out of your hand and pretend you shoot it on the baby. But I figured out my own way to make it shoot. Yes, Giraffe, I have. So basically the way to make it shoot, well, which you don't do, I made my own way to shoot this thing out. So this thing goes in here but it does nothing. It's just to cover up the hole in here. There's a gap here. I figured out my own way, so I keep that thing out so this thing can shoot the net out. There's no way to shoot the net out.
This is wrong.
Well, we don't know. We might not know how to shoot out. There might be a way to shoot out, but I have to do it like this. That's how I shoot it. Is by blowing it through the hole here.
Goodbye, Bumper.
Let's see if we can catch Triceratops. Almost. Well, this isn't the way I actually shoot it, but that's how we're going to shoot it because we don't know how to shoot it out.
And the man's stuck.
Which one do you want to open? This astronaut thing or that? Okay, open.
We have to open it. This one. I get gold?
No, it's moon rock. I don't think you get gold on the moon.
Yeah. Here, come. Where's gold?
I don't think it's gold. I think it's moon rock. Looks like gold.
What's that?
Looks like gold. Astronaut dinos? Not as I never seen.
What? How?
Astronaut dinosaurs. Dinosaurs on the moon.
What about?
Have you ever seen dinosaurs on the moon?
No. Where's dinosaurs? Where's the real dinosaur on the moon?
No, it's nonsense. Get nothing which is alive in space. The only thing you get out there is the planets, stars, and we got the man ready. The spaceman.
And a naughty man.
Not in, but he can't be on the moon. So the spaceman uses this to pick up this moon rock. You can take this off. This thing that goes on his arm. Take the helmet off. You can even take this thingy off, but looks better with it. There. And there's a thingy that goes on the back. And then your spaceman's ready to go. Now let's build this one.
No. Beep, 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 beep.
Alright. So we're back again. We finished all 3 sets.
Good.
How about a squirrel?
Squirrels, big dinosaurs! Dinosaurs?
Are you sure? But they're big and scary. Oh,
Yes.
quick before baby sneeze.
No, baby's not here.
Quickly. Sliding
The
doors.
babies are doing this thing.
Nope. He's going to go inside. Just make him fit. What's the baby say?
Hey, got you, baby. Take you home. Baby, can take it away. I was come after my baby.
The baby's happy. The baby's gonna cry.
What's the baby dinosaur say?
Aren't you just a dinosaur? Get rid of the dinosaur.
Please don't eat me.